Overall, I believe that this was an excellent assignment. I found that the entire process was highly applicable to my teaching career, and it felt like perfect timing considering that I'm just starting my experience in student teaching. After this mathematization project, I feel a lot more confident in my ability to locate mathematics in the community and help my students to make these deeper connections to math as well. I fully understand the importance of seeing math this way and developing a range of scenarios from real life. I believe that my students will benefit from all of these observations as well, and I hope to communicate the value of mathematization in my own classroom. When students begin to visualize mathematics, they can have consistent and repeated access to mathematical concepts. This means that the entire world becomes an opportunity for them to practice these ideas and work with numbers. Locating all of these learning opportunities in the community will also enhance their learning experiences. And overall, these students can create unique math situations that they relate to, collaborate with peers, and exercise their higher cognitive skills. Overall, I think mathematization is extremely important, and this class has shown me that math truly is everywhere around us. Thank you so much for a wonderful semester. I have enjoyed learning tremendously with all of my peers, and I hope that we all have a wonderful summer, and I hope to be back in the classrooms next fall. Everyone be well and take care.